Welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here in the heart of downtown Kingston at the Coronation Market. Today I have a budget of $3,000, so we're going to see what we can get in the market this week. Let's go shopping. Hi Princess, how are you?
I'm fine, morning.
Morning. Can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Well, most things, the price kind of stable right now. I don't really see nothing go up this week. Everything remained the same from last week.
Such as?
Onion, tomato, sweet pepper, cabbage, Irish potato. Yeah, the market not really cheap again. One good thing cheap in the market, I would say a beetroot.
Well, that's it for Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.